Hey guys, it's raining again in sunny Queensland. So, even though it's raining and it's morning and it's winter, look. That's the difference, guys. Even in winter time, it's still warm here on a ugly, wet, crap day. By the way, everyone is dressed with sweatshirts and hoodies like in Melbourne because it's cooler than usual, right? It's only like 19. Wow. 19, but it feels like 22. Because of the humidity. Yeah, so we had a whole week of pure sunshine last week, right up till the weekend. And we're starting off the new week with this. Kim's happy. She's enjoying her do-nothingness in bed, just relaxing. I get itchy feet though. Sitting around doing nothing, it's not something I'm used to. So anyway, this is the Whit Sundays on a very different kind of day. Wow. It's been raining like this now for over an hour. It looks like they're gonna easily get 100 millimeters, maybe more. Kim's all the way in there, behind the screen in bed, relaxing. So what do you do when it's raining in the tropics? You go shopping, of course. Yeah, guys, today was a fizzer, but we can still get things done, right? Like top up on our shopping.
Yep.
This is one of the two shopping centers here at the Whit Sundays. Nothing special, but does the job with a Coles supermarket. We're waiting for the bus to go back to the accommodation. It's been pouring all day here in beautiful Queensland. We're the only fully tanned visitors to the area. Everyone is like snow white, and it's because they're covered in what do you call it? Sweatshirts and hoodies. Unreal. As soon as the temperature gets below 24, they panic here. What a joke, man.
It's really raining, guys. I'm very dewy.
I'll show you how they dress. Look. This is how they dress in the tropics in winter. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that. They're different to back in Melbourne. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, it's so funny. You think they're in the Rocky Mountains of Canada or the Swiss Alps. Guys, I'm not making this stuff up. Sucks. Queensland sucks. Okay, there's no need to feel offended. I'm just kidding, okay? I'm just joking.
We're just joking.
We like to have jokes and fun. Bus should be here any second. I love the bus service here. It's awesome. 50 cents.
Come on, bus. Hurry up.
My legs are getting wet, but it's all right, guys.
They only have two Uber drivers in the whole town.
And just like that, guys, we're back in paradise. Thanks to the wonderful sunshine here in Queensland. Yep, it's the day after. We're ready to go to the beach. Beautiful day, and this is exactly how it was for the whole week last week. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and it's already 25 Celsius. Can you believe it? Wow. Oh, there's the Greyhound bus dropping off people at the bus stop. Cool, I just noticed that after a week. Anywho, business, we're back to business now in Airlie Beach. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that other side of Queensland, which is not really reported on, which is not always beautiful one day and perfect the next, guys, but it's pretty good, no complaints, but definitely not the dry season like it normally is in August. They say it's the wettest August in 26 years. Wow. Yeah, we lost one day to the rain, which is pretty good. Alright guys, that's the video, and we'll catch you from the next one, hopefully from the beach. I still haven't made a video from the beach, but that'll be coming up hopefully today or tomorrow. Give us a like if you enjoyed this one, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye now.